Hello, Rota Middle High School. I'm going to show you in this short tutorial how to navigate and work your way around your new data collection, analysis, and reporting system. Essentially, it's just an Excel workbook that's comprised of 3 worksheets, which enables you to quickly identify your courses and students and enter in the local assessment data for your writing and math tests that you are administering on a quarterly basis. Just to show you a quick purview of the file, which is located on your Common Drive in your accreditation folder. Once open, you'll see 3 worksheets, and these are denoted by these tabs along the bottom. The first worksheet is what I've labeled as the dictionary tab. That simply tells you what the column names and what they are for the historical and school year 12-13 worksheets. If you click on the historical tab, you'll see something like this, and this is where we'll be entering in any previous data from last school year, as well as when each school year finishes, we'll simply copy and paste it into this historical data worksheet. And this worksheet will become the foundation for any longitudinal trend analyses that'll be done for your school for various sundry reasons, CSI otherwise. Of primary interest is this green school year 12-13 worksheet. If you simply click on that, you'll see that what I have done is I have copied in all the various data that you folks have posted on your Common Drive in a variety of formats, your Excel worksheets, your Word documents, etc. And what I've done is I've tried to neatly organize them by subject area, math or ELA, by the courses that you're teaching, as well as identifying the period, your last name, and then your students' names. Now, all you really need to be concerned with is your last name and your courses. Those 2 selections will enable you to quickly isolate the students in your classes and the data that needs to be entered. So, for example, all you need to do is pay attention to these little gray boxes with the upside down triangles. And these are called filters, and I've placed them on the first 5 columns here. So all you need to do is click on the filter, and I suggest starting with teacher. Here's your last name, and you have options here of unchecking the box for select all. That clears out the selections. Identifying a teacher, in this case I'll choose Streeter, and I'll click OK. This gives me all the courses that Streeter is teaching, and it looks like they're all math courses. And just to filter this down a little bit more, we see that Streeter is teaching 2 sections of Algebra 1, periods 1 and 2, and we're interested in just period 2. So we're going to check the box for select all, which clears the selections, check the box for Algebra 1 P2, and click OK. There's the list of students for Streeter's Algebra 1 Period 2 course. Here's the students' names, and here are the Quarter 1 math assessments results. And here all you need to do is come over here and start plugging away for the Quarter 2 math assessments results. When done, simply save the file. And one thing I want you to pay attention to, so you don't have to worry, is this is what's called a shared workbook. So if you look at the top of the file here, at the top of the screen, you'll see the file name and in brackets the word shared. What that means is that the workbook can be opened by multiple individuals at the school, and data can be entered simultaneously, and it's all going to be captured as soon as you click save. Now, there may be instances where you'll go to open the workbook and you'll say, hey, I don't see all my courses or my name. And that's just an artifact of the filter. You can easily remove the filter by going over here to the right side, upper right corner where it says A to Z with that funnel. Click the word filter and it removes the filter. And this is all the data. And then you can quickly and easily just add the filters back in. You can do it for all columns or select a couple of them. You can select just these 4, go back over to the A to Z funnel, click sort and filter, click filter, and lo and behold, your filters are back. And then you can just repeat the process. Find your name, find your courses, and enter your data. Always remember to save the file. And that's it. Any questions, just ask Joseph Baltris, your District Research Analyst.